I think you'll be amazed after watching this video. Please don't skip it, guys, because you're about to learn a secret trick you've never known before. Did you know that when soil is mixed with cement, the result is truly amazing, guys? That's why you should watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you a brilliant discovery. Okay, first we need to find the main ingredient, which is soil, guys. Let's dig it up first. Once we've gathered enough, we'll take it and put it into a container. Next, let's move on to the next step. The soil that has been placed in the container is then mixed with cement. Let's first pour the cement into the container that has been filled with soil. Here we stir both materials until they are evenly blended. We can add a bit more cement if the two materials haven't mixed well yet, guys. As for the ratio, it's approximately 1 to 2, or you can just estimate it. Let's pour the cement again, guys. And don't forget to stir it until it's completely mixed and even. Okay, next, once the two materials have been evenly mixed, we can start adding water little by little. Okay, let's pour the water, guys. After pouring, stir it for a while until it's evenly mixed. If the water isn't enough, we can add more and pour it again. Then continue stirring until both ingredients are well combined. As usual, make sure the texture is not too runny and not too dry. If it's still not evenly mixed, we can add a bit more water. Then stir again until it becomes perfectly smooth and well blended. Okay, once the mixture is ready and has been properly blended, let's move on to the next step, guys. In this step, we're going to use the result of the soil and cement mixture we made earlier. Alright, let's go ahead and find a suitable location and surface to place the mixture on. Okay, and here for the first medium, we found a hole in the wall of the house, guys. I'm going to try patching that hole using the soil and cement mixture we made earlier. Alright, let's go ahead and apply it. We patch it just like when plastering a wall, making sure it's neat and smooth. To get a good result, make sure we plaster it properly, guys. I also found a hole in the floor, so let's try filling that one as well, guys. Here we patch and repair the floor, using a mixture of soil and cement. The way to use it is the same as when we use a sand and cement mixture, guys. So there's no special trick in using it. There are two floor areas here, and we can patch both of them. So this is a floor that's already a bit damaged and has some holes, so I'm going to patch it using a mixture made from soil and cement, guys. Okay, I'll also be using a paving block from our previous project. Here we'll try joining two paving blocks using the soil and cement mixture. First, we coat the surface, then press them together and tighten the edges. The purpose of this test is to check how strong our material mixture actually is, guys. Next, let's tidy up the joints of these paving blocks or bricks first, guys, so that the result will be stronger and more optimal. And once all the surfaces have been coated with the soil and cement mixture, the next step is to let them sit and dry. We'll wait until they're completely dry to see the final results. Okay, let's continue and take a look at the results, guys. As you can see, the result looks pretty good. It's almost the same as regular cement mix, but here I used soil as part of the mixture. And for a neater result, you can sand it first. Next, let's check the result of the paving joint. And look at the result. The joint between the pavings is also strong and solid. Here, I tried lifting the top part, and the bottom part was lifted along with it without coming apart or falling off. So, in conclusion, it turns out that soil mixed with cement can actually create a concrete-like mixture that can be used as a building material substitute for sand. This way, you can save more on construction costs. Alright, see you again in the next video. Thank you and good luck trying it out.